every day I wear makeup. And even though I have my skincare, like for example, I have my sunscreen and I have my serums. So, hindi pa rin nawawala yung mga pimples sa akin. Kasi I'm exposed to stress and I usually wear a lot of makeup. And right now, marami rin akong dark spots because of the pimples that I get from stress, from hormones. And right now, puti na lang, ang isa sa mga nakakatulong sa akin para ma-prevent ang pimples ko and also to clear the pimple marks on my face is the Kaizen Vitamin C supplement. So this has rose hips and also zinc. So for the zinc, it actually prevents my pimples. And because of the rose hip na kino-contain niya, yung mga pimple marks ko rin, marami akong pimple marks pero nabawasan na siya. So, nag-lighten na yung mga pimple marks ko. And then, of course, dahil vitamin C supplement siya, so since I'm working during the graveyard, it actually helps my skin and also my immunity. So, minsan di maiwasan na magkakasakit na tayo because of the puyat, the stress, and just the everyday life. And it's good to know that I have something that will help me fight my battles every day, and that's the Kaizen Vitamin C supplement. So every day, I take one capsule during before my nighttime or before I sleep. Because during sleep, doon naman talaga na-absorb ng body natin yung mga supplements or vitamins sa iniinom natin. And just like that, kahit paano malaban ako sa buhay.